Namaste students, my name is JVN's Dr. Neeraj Holia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss topic bile acids, bile salts and plasma lipoproteins. This belongs to the subject fundamentals of biological chemistry. So let's start. So the bile acids are steroid acids and they are predominantly found in the bile of mammals and other vertebrates. So diverse bile acids are synthesized in our liver, and bile acids are conjugated with taurine and glycine residues to give anions called the bile salts. So primarily bile salts are those synthesized by liver, and secondly acids result from bacterial action in the colon. So in human, uh, taurocolic acid and glycolic acid, which are the derivatives of the cholic acid, and um, tauroquinodeoxycholic acid and glycoquinodeoxycholic acid, which are the derivatives of the quinodeoxycholic acid, are the major bile salts. So they are roughly equal to in concentration, and the salts of their 7 alpha dehydroxy oxalate derivatives, deoxycholic acid, lithocholic acid are also found with derivatives of cholic, quinodeoxycholic and deoxycholic acids, accounting for over 90% of the human biliary bile acids. So bile acids comprises about 80% of the organic compounds in bile, uh, and the 20% is the phospholipids and cholesterol. And an increased secretion of bile acids produces an increase in the bile flow. Bile acids facilitate digestion of dietary fats and oils. They serve as micelle forming surfactants which encapsulate nutrients, facilitating their absorption. These micelles are suspended in the chyme before further processing. So bile acids also have hormonal actions throughout the body, and particularly through the uh, farnesoid X receptor and GPBAR1 receptor. Now, plasma lipoprotein. So, lipoproteins are complex aggregates of lipids and proteins that render the hydrophobic lipid compatible with an aqueous environment of body fluids and enable their transport through the body of all vertebrates and insects to tissues where they are required. Because of their clinical importance, a very high proportion of research on lipoprotein deals with their function in human in relation to health, and the discussion that follows reflects this. Lipoproteins are synthesized mainly in the intestines and livers. Within the circulation, these aggregates are in a state of constant flux, changing in composition and physical structure as the peripheral tissues take up the various components before the remnants return to the liver. The most abundant lipid constituents are triglycerols, free cholesterol, cholesterol esters, and phospholipids. And although fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants are also transported in this way. So, free fatty acids and uh, lys- lyo- lysophosphatidylcholine lyophosphatidylcholine are bound to the protein albumin by hydrophobic forces in plasma, and in effect are detoxified. So the circulating lipoproteins are structurally and metabolically distinct from the proteolipids that containing covalently linked fatty acids to the other lipid moieties. So hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve that. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.